So we're at the car wash, and it's telling us to pull in. And here's an undercarriage, and it's going to tell us to stop. And now it tells us to stop. Now we have our coat of pre-soak. Okay, it's going around. It's going for that side. And the back. And on that side. And on there. And there again. It's going there again. And it's going to the back again. And it's going over there. And it's going over there. And that's going to be done.
What's it doing now?
Now it's doing the high pressure rinse. It's going to go all around. For the back. Now it's going to the sides. And it's going to do the now this is trifo. There's some colors right there, but not on the front. There's some on the side. Now it's rinsing it off. It's still rinsing it off. Now this is the spot-free rinse. The back and the sides now this is the dryers, and now you have to pull it out.